Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Katelyn, and today we are doing a fun spin on a Monster Mash. So my mod, Sleepy, over on the Discord, loves to torture me and had a suggestion that a lot of the Discord chat agreed I should try, and that is trying to paint in MS Paint. I haven't touched this program since probably like elementary to middle school. Like, I used to use this all the time when I was younger, but then my parents eventually got me into Photoshop. So I haven't touched this in a long time, and I'm a little bit intimidated by using this program. So today we're doing a full-on Monster Mash, and the Twitch chat is going to send suggestions that they're going to vote on what animals they want me to combine today. As you can see, I am already in MS Paint ready to go, so Twitch chat, go ahead and send me your suggestions for the animals that you want me to combine. And I think today we'll add an extra little thing. We're gonna do an attribute. So today we'll do 2 animals and 1 attribute. So let's start with the animals. All right, so the Twitch chat has voted, and for the first animal, they had a choice between a lynx, a sentry bird, a giraffe, a leech, and a bongo antelope. And the pick is a giraffe. Okay, so we got a giraffe for the first one, and then the second animal, we had either a shark, a rabbit, an anglerfish, a honey badger, a mora eel, or a snail. And a shark wins. Okay, we have a shark giraffe. That is fucking terrifying. And then for the final attribute, we had either digital, holy, dressed as a dragon, mount, machinery, cyberpunk, steampunk. I kind of bunched them together. So let's see what we got. Machinery, cyberpunk. So we have a machine shark giraffe. That is terrifying. And I have to do it all in MS Paint. Fuck. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna attempt to do some rough sketch ideas and try to figure out how I'm gonna combine these. And then I guess I have to delete it all, or like, I don't know. I don't know what these tools do, so we're just gonna have to play around and figure out how I'm gonna do this, but we'll just start with rough sketches and see how it works. Can I just copy and paste into Paint? Does that work? Can I transform? Okay. What the fuck? I said, where do you go? I just want to copy a picture of a giraffe. Paste. Okay, how do I make you smaller? Without, okay, I hold the shift button, and I'm gonna make you smaller. Okay, are you scaling? I don't think you are. I can't tell. How do I deselect? Is there a deselect? Can I, okay, I deselected. Yes, maybe, paste. Okay, my giraffe is still there. Good. Okay. Make this small. Fuck. Nope. Ah! I just want to paste my pictures in! Alright, we finally got our pictures in. Let's just attempt. I guess I'll use the pencil. Where's my Wacom pen? Alright. So I know we don't have pressure sensitivity when it comes to MS Paint. At least from what I know. But I have no clue what the fuck else I'm doing. Okay, can I make the... That doesn't work. Is there an eraser? No, there's not. Do I have to erase like this? Oh, I have to go over and click? Motherfucker. Okay, let's try to sketch this then. Is there an undo? Okay, at least I still have undo. But I think it only goes undo once, right? Oh, it doesn't. Oh, I can undo multiple times. Okay, okay. Progress. Okay, is there a way where, okay, can I select this all and make it a little smaller? Resize? No. Can I do this? Okay, scale down. Hey, okay, cool. Oh shit. Oh, it does the white background too? Okay. Okay, now that that's done, I don't care if I cover up my hammerhead a bit. Let's do another sketch. All right, guys, so I have finished my attempts of a rough sketch in MS Paint, and it's not bad, but I foresee a lot of issues coming up when I actually want to do the finished piece of this. But either way, I like where this character is going overall. So what I'm thinking is this third one, there we go, this third one down here, it's kind of like this like mechanical organic combo transport thing, because I like the idea that the Twitch chat was going with this one of making it like a submarine. But I still really like my first one, so I'm like, well, what if we kind of combine the two together? So that's what I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to make this kind of more organic transport. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in and attempt to convey what I have in my brain into MS Paint, but I don't know how great it's gonna work. So we'll figure it out. So let me jump in and make an attempt at drawing this. I guess I'll just delete these so then they're not on my screen. There we go. Okay, and then I need to select you and move you and then scale you down. Fuck. No. Ugh. Go select, please. Okay. Holding shift. What the fuck? What happened? Jesus. Okay, well, he's not gonna move very far at this rate. We're gonna move him over a little bit more. Or I could just use him as my base sketch. Why don't I just do that? Fuck this. This is gonna be our base sketch. And then I think I'll try to paint on top of him to make this work. But then I should make a copy of him, shouldn't I? Okay. I'm gonna copy him and paste, and then scale you way down. Okay. Okay, great. Now I have a reference, okay? Then I'm gonna, select, no, I want the, I want the other select. Freeform selection. Select you. Move you over. All right. Let us try to paint. All right, so we're gonna start with the mechanical bits. I think the one thing that's really throwing me off, I don't know how to make the brush size bigger. Oh, is it here? It's undersized. Okay. Ugh. This is gonna suck. All right, so we got our mechanical parts. We'll paint those in. Well, no, actually that should go on top. Fuck. All right, we're gonna pick a color for him. Let's make him, I think he'll be pretty cute if he's yellow. Okay, great. I'm losing all detail. I will have no clue what I'm doing. Great. Okay, and then he's got his horns too. Gotta make sure those are colored. Fuck, this already looks awful. Don't worry, I'll fix it. It's gonna look great. I'll just keep refining it and hope it eventually looks better. Alright guys, so I think this was a pretty good attempt in MS Paint. It is pretty difficult to paint in this program, but I think this little Monster Mash came out pretty dang cute. But you know what we should do? We should do a compare and contrast. So let's take this one, exact same pose, everything will be exactly the same, but I'm gonna bring it into Photoshop and see what the difference is between the two programs. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this into Photoshop, we'll redraw it, and let's see what the difference is between my program of choice compared to MS Paint. Alright guys, and we are all done with this Monster Mash, both the MS Paint version and the Photoshop version, and as you can see, they are pretty dang different. When I was recoloring in Photoshop though, I did think about like, oh man, I could have added more depth by doing this in Paint and doing like this type of thing when I was coloring in MS Paint to make it at least a little bit closer. So I think if I do this challenge again, I have at least a little bit more insight on what I can do to carry over some of the things I know from Photoshop and apply them to Paint as well. But either way, I really like this guy. He's kind of cute and interesting. I just imagine him, I think I talked about it a little bit earlier in the video, but as kind of a transport. So he's like this combination of a aquatic, somewhat land animal that has been kind of outfitted with these interesting mechanical parts. So then I guess these subnautical humans or aliens can use it to travel in the depths of the sea, something like that. But the dome on its back is kind of like a, I could see it as, I guess you could say a passenger car. All of those windows could be different rooms within it, and it's just this interesting sphere shape. And then we have the back tower in the back that would probably have the captain and whoever is controlling where this giraffe shark would go. Either way, I think this guy turned out super interesting. This was a really fun combo, and I just kind of went wild with it. I wanted to make it cartoony and interesting so it would look cool in MS Paint, and then it also looks pretty dang cool within Photoshop. So thanks again, guys, so much for stopping by. And if you guys would like to join on the next Monster Mash, make sure to follow me at twitch.tv/KMcCaigue. So thanks again, guys, for stopping by, and I will see you all next time. Bye, everybody.